Welcome to our garage. This is Mitsubishi Grandis 2008 model. Japan assembled. Customer complained. Air conditioner unit is not in working condition. Our professional and highly trained team diagnosed the problem and clean and flush the front and rear evaporator. After that our team repair and flush the pipe system, flush the AC condenser, replace the AC compressor, and fill up the original air conditioner gas. After that car AC is working properly. Now the customer is happy with the AC performance and satisfied with our services. We offers all kind of electrical and mechanical work, AC repairing, denting, painting work, car detailing and car wash services. If you need our services, do contact us on given numbers and check out our website and visit our garage. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates and videos. Thanks for watching.